In this video, I am going to explain what on-demand content YouTube TV offers and how you can access it. YouTube TV provides a wide variety of on-demand content as part of its subscription, giving you the flexibility to watch shows, movies, and specials at your convenience. This feature is available for many of the channels included in your plan, such as ABC, NBC, FX, TNT, and more. On-demand content typically includes full episodes of popular shows, past seasons, and even exclusive movies or specials that are available without needing to record them. To access on-demand content, open the YouTube TV app or website and navigate to the On Demand tab. Here, you'll find a library of titles organized by network or genre, making it easy to browse and discover something to watch. Some channels also offer bonus content like behind-the-scenes footage or director's cuts, which are accessible through their on-demand sections. It's important to note that not all shows or episodes are available on demand due to licensing restrictions, but YouTube TV's Cloud DVR feature allows you to record live TV if something isn't preloaded. Additionally, premium add-ons like Showtime or Stars expand your on-demand library with exclusive movies, series, and documentaries. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand YouTube TV's on-demand content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.